Hey guys, we are doing Unit 7, Lesson 1.9, which is a new lesson. It's dividing a whole number by by a fraction. And we've not done that. We've only been multiplying, but now we're going to be dividing whole number by a fraction. For example, 6 divided by 1/2. When I ask my students this every year, usually the kids say that it's 3. They think it equals 3. But we know 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So 6 divided by 1/2 can't also equal 3, can it? It can't. It's not 3. Let's backtrack for a second. Let's think about 6 divided by 2. We know 6 divided by 2 equals 3. We knew that. But let's think about why. We have 6 pies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we want to divide it into groups of 2. That's one group of 2. That's a second group of 2. That's a third group of 2. We're dividing 6 into groups of 2. In fact, you could say, how many groups of 2 equals 6? We would say 3. 3 groups of 2 equals 6. Let's take that same line of thinking with division. 6 divided by 1/2, I mean. We've got our 6 pies. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I ask myself, how many 1/2s, how many groups of 1/2 are there in 6? How many halves are there in 6? Well, let's see. Let's divide our pies in halves. How many 1/2s are there in 6? There's 1 1/2, 2 1/2s. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 1/2s in 6. So 6 divided by 1/2 is actually 12. Whoa. Let's use this example to help us a little bit as well. Let's imagine you have 5 cups of flour. And for every 1/4 cup, you can make 1 cookie, right? So in 1 cup of flour, 1/4 of a cup makes a cookie. 4 cups of flour will make 4 cookies. I'm sorry,